Listening 24. Listen, point and repeat. 1,
Crayons,
2,
paints,
3,
paintbrushes,
4.
paper,
Listening 25. Listen and say the number.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from France. It's time for my art lesson. We've got paper. It's white. You can draw pictures on it. These are my paintbrushes. I've got big paintbrushes and small paintbrushes. I've got lots of crayons. I can draw a picture of a house with my crayons. This is my friend Julie. There are red, green, yellow, blue, and brown paints.
Listening 26. What's on Lily's desk? Listen and tick or cross. 1,
Hi, Lily. Is this your desk?
Yes, it is. Look, I've got paper on my desk.
2,
Have you got pencils on your desk?
No, I haven't. I haven't got any pencils at school today.
3,
I've got crayons on my desk.
Great. You can draw a picture.
4,
Have you got paintbrushes on your desk?
Yes, I have. I've got a big paintbrush and a small paintbrush.
5,
Have you got paints on your desk?
Oh, no, I haven't.
It's okay. You can use your crayons.
Listening 27. Listen and follow.
I've got lots of art things.
Me too. What have you got?
I've got paper, paints, and paintbrushes.
Listening 28. Listen and read. Art lessons.
Hi, Amira. This email is about my school. My school is in Azila. It's a beautiful town. In Azila, lots of houses have got pictures on the walls. My school has got a green door and green windows. It's got pictures on the walls too. The pictures are amazing. They've got lots of colours in them. My classroom is big. It's got 10 desks and 20 chairs. I'm very happy because I've got an art lesson today. We've got paints and paintbrushes. We can make a big picture. It's a hand tree. There are lots of hands in the picture. My hands are blue and yellow. Have you got paints? You can make a hand tree too. Write soon. Zaki.